Now in this particular subtask of the rock paper scissors project, we are going to be determining the winner based on the score given at the end of 3 rounds. That is the final score of the user in the computer. Now let's see the task. So if the computer score is more than the user score, then you have to declare the computer has won. And if your score is greater than the computer score, we are going to declare out that you have won the match. Or else, let's say all 3 times a tie occurs, then we're going to print out the match is tied. So as explained in the previous tasks, this particular part of the code has been explained previously. Now let's look at the overall winner function. Over here we're going to take out the user score and computer score as an input, and we're going to compare them. If user score is greater than computer score, print out user has won. Else if computer score is greater than user score, we're going to print out computer has won the overall match, or else we're going to print out the match is tied. And the main code is same as before, except at last we're going to be printing out the overall winner function's end value. That is basically either one of these 3 texts. So let's just run this code once. Let's say I give rock, and rock again. Since I won 2 matches out of the 3 matches, since 2 out of the 3 choices have been won by me, we are going to print out you won the overall match. Let's submit this code once. So you can see all the 7 test cases have been passed. Let's move on to the next subtask.